Hey there, everyone. So, we're getting ready to start week 5. It's hard to believe we're already into the 5th week of school. So, let's talk about what we're going to do this week. We're going to continue to talk about natural resources. And at some point during the week, we are going to talk about how the increase of the human population has affected. The use of natural resources. And so that will be something we talk about this week, as well as we're going to learn how we can identify um, certain minerals, certain natural resources by using what we call characteristic properties. So that's our goals for the week. Other things that are going on for announcements, just really important because I know this is a big thing. Typically, is Picture Day is this week. If you are a day student, you are going to be having your pictures on Wednesday, September 9th. If you're B Day, Thursday, September 10th. Virtual students, please don't forget, it is expected that you are joining us in class on Tuesdays and Thursdays during your class period. All you have to do is click on that link at the top of Google Classroom. On the stream page, there is a Google Meet link, and you will tie right into our class. So we're looking forward to seeing you on Tuesday and Thursday. Um, Also, I mean, this goes for everybody. I know there are a lot of pink and purple papers out still from homeroom. Please don't forget to turn those in. Those are really important to get turned in. And then finally, if you do have questions or concerns, I've been seeing lots of good emails with kids asking things. But also, please email me if you are turning in some late work, because sometimes it's hard for me to catch that if you're turning something in that it's past the due date. I'd also like to remind you that the school policy is that if you are turning in late work, that there is a 30% deduction for work being late. And so we've been pretty lenient at the beginning of the school year because we were just really trying to figure everything out. But teachers are starting to crack down on that and so you need to make sure that you're taking care of your work on time. As a reminder, all of my assignments are due on Friday for the week. So I don't give lots of different due dates. It's just Friday at midnight. That's what I'm saying everything is due. So please make sure that you are getting those things taken care of. All right. Okay, let's look specifically at how this is breaking down. Let me move this over here. So it's a little different this week because normally I start out seeing the hybrid A kids, but because we had Monday off, I'm going to see hybrid B day kids first. Now, it is a little bit different because it doesn't matter if you're hybrid A, hybrid B, or virtual only students. Everybody on Tuesday is starting out on activity 3. And so there's an introduction and a setup. But as long as you're reading through the procedure and the lab manual, you should have no problem figuring that out. On Wednesday, then, hybrid A students, you are going to complete the lab portion of activity 3 in class. So it's extremely important that you have the introduction and setup completed before you come to me, or else you won't be able to do that lab portion in class. You'll have to end up just watching a video at home. On Wednesday for the hybrid B and virtual only students, since I am going to see you twice this week, you are going to pause on Wednesday and go and do activity 2. Okay, and that's in Google Classroom. Then on Thursday, hybrid A, you will finish your analysis questions for activity 3, and hybrid A on Friday, you're going to complete activity 2 at home. On Thursday, for hybrid B students and virtual only students, you're going to be doing the lab portion of activity 3, and then you'll be finishing the analysis questions for activity 3 at home on Friday. So I know it's a short week, but I'm really looking forward to it. I will see you guys tomorrow.